Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here. And man, it feels weird to be home. I just came back from a Hawaii trip. I was out there for maybe like 8 or 9 days. We got a little stain on the crew neck. I'm feeling really green today, right? You see the green hat, got the green jade. I'm also wearing my green Meister watch. Quick shout out to my homies over at Meister Watches. If you guys would like to purchase a watch or a gift for someone that likes watches, hit the link in my description. It'll give you guys 20% off. Discount will be automatically applied to your cart. So in today's video, just to break myself in a little bit, you know, it's been a minute since I've sat down and made a sneaker video. Your boy was just chillaxing on islands, enjoying himself, all right? So it's gonna take a little bit to get back into the groove of things. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. Now, this sneaker right here is a sneaker I talked about in one of my recent videos, and I was like, bro, I really like these things, so I went ahead and I purchased them. It's been a minute since we've done an unboxing, so bow, here we go. Quick unboxing for you guys. Now, I got this one off of eBay, so if you guys are interested in this particular sneaker, I would recommend checking out eBay. I'll have that link down below as well. But yeah, let's pop these things open. I'm excited to see these in person. I've never seen them in hand, so you guys will take the first look with me, so that should be pretty cool. All right, let's check these things out, baby. Okay. What I've been loving about eBay is their authentication guarantee. I love this. Not sponsored, but it's pretty cool that they're authenticating most of the sneakers that you may be purchasing on eBay. So you just look for the little badge. If it says authenticity guarantee, you're good to go. Anyways, we have the box right here. This is like that classic OG Nike box. I used to have a pair of kids shoes that came in a box like this. It's giving me the nostalgic feel for sure. Taking a quick look at the tag, we have a size 11.5, and that is because this is a women's colorway. Yes, a women's colorway. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the top for you guys. Y'all take the first look. Check them out. Bow. You guys see them? Are they cool? Oh my goodness. Some of y'all are probably like, yo, Alex, what even are these? Let's talk about it. So here we go. These are called the Flip the Old School Nike Dunk Lows. I've seen a few videos of these online, but I haven't seen too many. I try to do my due diligence and do my research on them just to understand fully, you know, what these are all about. But basically what I got from it is that this was an Asia exclusive release. I don't think they released in the US just yet, or if they even will release in the US. But yeah, this pair was inspired by two dunks that released in 1999. I was 3 in 1999. How old were you? Comment down below. But anyways, those pairs were called the City Attack Dunk Highs. They had a very similar colorway. They had a regular City Attack, then they had a reverse City Attack. And I believe these released at the beginning of the year, if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, I couldn't find too much information on this pair, but when I was originally creating the top 10 Nike Dunks for under $300, I stumbled across these and I was like, yo, these are fire. So I went ahead, went on eBay, found these for a steal. I'll throw up the price I got them for on the screen right here. It's not too bad, bro. It's not bad at all. If you get it off StockX, it's obviously gonna be a little bit more, but take a look, man. Everything is pretty much reversed. One thing I noticed is that it has these 2 perforations on the back of each shoe. I've never seen that before on a Nike Dunk Low. Pretty interesting. And obviously both sides are different sneakers. What I loved about these is that it's just like a fun, playful colorway, right? It has that crazy swoosh that already brings so much attention to it, and the fact that these two don't match brings a more playful and fun vibe to your feet. I'm gonna probably be switching these laces out right here. These are the flat laces that I believe came with the sneaker, but with Dunk Lows, I feel like they look best with those round oval laces, you know, the Nike SB laces. Condition wise, these aren't bad. These aren't too bad. They got stars, a little dirty, but you know, your boy can clean it up with his sneaker cleaner, available at shopsotopia.com. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. Are these a cop or drop for you? When I saw them, I was like, bro, I need these. I don't know what they're called. They look super sick. So here they are in my possession. guarantee you when I post this on Instagram, people are gonna wonder what they are. Simply because of the swoosh being flipped. There's a lot of sneakers out there that are produced from companies other than Nike, you know, just taking their own inspiration from an Air Force One, Nike Dunk, even a Jordan 1. So this is an actual Nike release. So it's not to get it twisted with those other ones. Not saying that those are bad, but an official Nike release. I'm excited to post these to see what people say or if people even know about them, because I highly doubt it. And I just realized this one has a yellow tongue tag on top, so that's pretty cool. Does this one have it? Oh yeah, this one has it too. So yeah, little Laker colorway, low key. One of the craziest parts about this shoe is that it came with like a little doily on it. I don't even know what it's called. I'm gonna call it a doily, all right? But basically it's a piece of paper. And when they first come, this one only came with one, right? But I'm gonna try to throw this thing on here. This shoe is very interesting. I don't know. If you have a chance of buying these brand new, right? They're gonna come like this. It's gonna look a little bit more secure on the shoe, but it literally comes with a piece of paper with very, very, very pixelated printing on here. I don't know if y'all can see it. It looks clear on camera, but trust me, it's a bit pixelated. All right, and even if you look at this paper, right? It's kind of interesting because, where is it? I'm trying to look through the camera. There's stitching on the paper. So somebody had to stitch this. You can probably see it through the back. You see that? Somebody had to stitch this, a piece of paper, as a covering for the shoe. Why? I don't know. This one only came with one. And that was pretty much it. The insole looks exactly like that covering. So that covering might mean something. I'm not too sure. But yeah, these are the old school Nike Dunks. I haven't really been buying too many sneakers because a lot of them haven't caught my eye, but look, these caught my eye for sure. And if you guys haven't purchased from the eBay authentication, basically you get a tag like this. You tap your phone to it. It just basically lets you know that this shoe is legit, and it has all the shoe's information right here on this tag. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna end up chopping this off. But yeah, it just gives you a good peace of mind. So shout out to the people over at eBay. Once again, not sponsored. But yeah, I gotta clean these things up. They're looking a little musty. But once again, let me know what you guys think about the old school Nike Dunk lows. And if you guys would like to see people's reactions to them on my Instagram, make sure you're following me at SneakerHeadInTheBay. If you guys enjoy vlogs, peep my vlog channel down below in the description. That's where I'll have all my Hawaii vlogs up pretty soon, all right? I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video though. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm out. Peace.